Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back, and today is 2024, 26th of February. Dopla Utro Caro. Wow. Today you're the first. Alright. Okay, thank you so much. Wow. Okay, and yep. Alright. I saw your messages in the Discord channel. Boom. Beautiful. Okay. Yep. Right, so let's see, let me get into all the rest, okay? The rest of you, I mean, let's see. Okay. Well, and let's see. Well, guys, little announcement, okay, the reminder, 29th of February, I won't be around, okay? Yep, so, yep. Okay, let's see. Hang on. Okay. Right, let me connect. Able to see me? Right. Okay. Okay, let's go into the chart first. Let's see. Right. Thank you so much for coming in. Here I am. Okay. Right. Okay. Let's see. Can you hear me clearly? I hope you can hear me clearly. All right. All right. And okay. And let's see. Well, okay. What is this, man? Okay. It's a new week. It's a Monday. Last week of February. So this week we are expecting to see the 1st of March is on Friday. Exciting day, am I right? Okay. So 1st of March is on the Friday. Something is there, right? So first day of March, we're already going to experience a lot of good something exciting there. I think usually on the first, when the calendar mark the first day, which fall on the Friday or on the Monday, I will trade extremely carefully. Okay, extremely carefully. Extremely careful. Okay, yeah. So all right, so just be careful. Okay, so next week is our non-farm. Okay, so next Friday will be our non-farm. So this week we have we should have quite a few things to take note. But it's going to be quite a peaceful week to go, right? So I guess it's still good for everybody. Okay, hi Yue Ting, nice to see you here. Yes, I hope you have a nice weekend, and going to start off with a very fantastic week ahead. Okay, a lot of celebration on the Yuan Xiao. Yeah, on the Yuan Xiao. Yes, correct. Right. I just have okay. Okay, now let's go. Caro go TP 26 pips. Wow. It flipped over. It really flipped over. Congratulations. That's nice. All right. Okay. Then it's beautiful. Okay. Good job. Yep. Very nice. All right. So congratulations to you. And later, let's take a look. Okay. Well done. Okay. Very good. Beautiful. All right. And let's see. Let's take a look at the goal. Okay. Yep. As projected on Discord in the morning. Yep. I saw that. Okay. And let's take a look. Okay. Yeah. Nice flip. Okay. So from here, we can see the flip over to this area here. Okay, well, beautiful, huh? Okay, so we can see this, yeah, this side here. Okay, so it has a total of 50 pips. So somewhere here, you should have taken a good trade here, correct? Okay, so should be around here. This, okay, right, M15. Trade taken in M15 for about 8.15, about there. Yeah, I think it should be around here, correct? Yeah, there was also a gap. Yes, it's a good magnet over here. Yeah, okay. Seems like this is a bonus. All right, it's the money drop from the sky. Okay. Yeah. Right. Did the money drop from the sky? I guess so. Okay. Yep. And okay, so let's do a little bit of recap over here for the pound dollar last week on the last Friday. I think in the Discord I sent a picture in here. Correct? I sent a picture in here. Okay, taking a look at this and over at this point here. Well, this is the area it bounced as a support, and after that it boom up about 20 pips there. All right, then after that it started to swing back. Okay, so now, okay, so now what is it now? Okay, so I guess all these I think are very prominent. Am I right? Okay, so this area here. So when it bounce up, this is where we want to capture. Okay, and let me take this away. Okay, so that it's not going to be so confusing. Where we seems like over here, it looks like the pound dollar. It looks like the pound dollar. It started to hover around this area. So probably I would like to have another area here. Okay, to take note. Okay, so this whole area here. Okay, so this whole area probably is an area that is not really so good to trade for now. Okay, so but then again is that will that still have a chance to actually to take the lows here, where I see there's still a good chance there. Okay, the low should be still continue to go down to take out to until this area here. Still looking at 126.454. Okay, 126.454. There may be a good chance. If let's say if this is going to bounce further up to 127.097, okay, this is another possibility. Okay, there's another possibility here. So it can be, okay, it can work on that. Okay, so this area is also one area that we also want to take note. Okay, yeah, and for now, okay, for now, of course, if you're asking me to sell off, I don't think there's a chance there. Okay, we are close, but right now, by looking into the H4, okay, let's look into H4. Seems like we are still on the bull. Okay, you can see a low, a higher low, higher low, higher low, nice higher low. All the trend, this trending market is still forming. Seems like this area is still waiting to be taken out. So by looking into H4, the probability, right? The probability is more on the buying side. It's still on the buying side, huh? Unless unless the next H4 open to swing down, then there may be a good chance that they are going to into this area to test into this area. Then you will see something very odd over here, but it looks like a head and shoulder. Okay, that is possible as well. Okay, there's a possibility there. Well, for now, okay, as for now, okay, basing on the H4 is the probability is more on the buy side. Okay, it's still on the buy side, right? Okay, how about H1 and H1 side? H1 side, okay, so we have a selling off from last week, last Friday, nicely, but now it seems like they have going to have a break of structure. The boss is coming in, BOS, boss. So the looks like the break of structure to continue, okay, to break this structure and to continue the bull is highly possible. But of course, this is only a small structure over here, right? Okay, compared to all this, right? Compared to all this big one, okay. So there's a lot more to pay attention to, okay, currently, right? So we have a few areas here to take note, okay, and there's a few areas there to take note as well. So these are the areas that we need to take note because these are the areas that we plotted last week, and we can see that it's actually still, is it still there? Okay, for this it's not. Okay, we take this away first. Okay, then probably we want to take a look at something a bit different. Okay, something a bit different here. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to take a look at this level. 126.85.3. 126.85.3 to even to 126. 126.888. Okay, so these are the areas, okay, that we may want to take a look, right? Okay, so as of now, okay, as of now, let's see, we have now taken out the highs here, okay, then over at this point here, the lows has not been taken out yet, so probably, okay, probably there may be a chance, okay, right, as this is the area, okay, then is going to take, yeah. Okay, let's see. Check. Sorry. Let me check. I have a mess. I have something comes in. Right. Okay. Yeah. So let's see if this is going to work out. I think we still have a bit to go, huh? I think just hang on first. Yeah. Need to wait for a little while. Okay, this is not there yet, so I think need to wait for a little while. All right. Okay. Yep. This one. I have this as well. So let me do let me check. And these highs. Huh? Okay. 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 So over here, this is the highs here, huh? Okay. So let's see. I think probably we still have a chance of this area here. Okay, this will be the first area that going to take out. Then after that, after that, then probably we'll be looking out into this area as well. But of course, right now we need a resistance first. Okay, because by looking into this area, if you are going for a selling, probably you may want to, yeah, probably have 16 to 17 pips there to take the lows. 16 to 17 pips there to take the lows. It's not that impossible. It's quite possible, but then again, is that we also want to see if there's a good chance or not. Okay. So for now, this area of support is here. So if I want to take this, is about 10, the 16 down here, 16 to 19 pips down there. Okay. In mid up, does it right now? If right now, I guess this area here doesn't looks very promising, you know. Probably if the price is going to sell at 126,828, the resistance form at 126,828, then I see the potential of selling is there. Now looks like yes and no, you know. It's like yes and no, you know. Yeah. Hi Avery, nice to see you here. Thank you so much for coming back. Okay, so let's wait for a little while and see. Let's take a look. Okay, for this area here, I wanted to, it looks like there's a selling opportunity to take the lows, but then again, that general trend, it should still be on the buy side because it started to build another round of higher lows. Okay, but then this higher lows doesn't look so fantastic to go for a higher high yet. Okay, it's still looking for, it looks like it's still forming up to look for support before it can go for a higher high, you know. Okay, so that is my point of view here. Okay, because by looking into both sides, right, is that of course there is still good chance there. Okay, but then probably it may be looking out for some support first, then after that the buying will come in. Okay, so whatever now the selling will be a pullback. Whatever the selling now will be a pullback. Yes, it can be. It can be. All right. So let me see. Yeah, and moreover, M15 seems like the structure also looks like they are trying to form up something inverse head and shoulder here. Yeah. Okay. So generally, everything looks like it's more onto the buy side. Will they actually break that structure? Yeah. Will it actually looks like it's going to break the? Will it break this structure here? You see? Can you see over here? But it's also, we are in the break of structure area here. Yeah. So currently, it's good to wait for a while. I think it's still good to wait for a while. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It will be good. I think over here it's very good to see that we can see the 1.26828. 1.26828. Okay. Yeah. Hi, Iberi. Oh, Iberi, you are on Facebook. Am I right? Okay, I just realized. Oh, you're on Facebook. Okay. All right. Okay. Yep. And let's hang on. Okay, let's hang on for a while and see how this movement is going to be like. Yes. Hi, Sabrina. Yep. Thank you so much for coming in. And let's see. Let's see. This is okay. Because why I'm not selling is because if you look at the generally, okay, from this start of selling off, correct, and this area, it seems like there's a inverse head and shoulder, correct, and generally you see in terms of H4 is a very nice trending going up. Am I right? So nice. The trending is so nice. Okay, going up. So it's actually still in the bull. All right, and H4, that's H4, and this H1, as you can also see, it seems like it's so nice, correct, coming in a trending market on the bull side, right? So yeah, but there's still some sign of pulling back. There's still some sign of pulling back. Then again, is that this pulling back doesn't look very promising to me. Okay, it looks very promising to me at the moment. Okay, so that's the reason why I was contemplating whether should I sell this, although it's quite attractive to take the lows down there. Okay, for now. Okay, then again is that will it actually go for the selling? You know, yeah, probably another 2 minutes. Yeah, let's wait for another 2 minutes to see the M15. I also wanted to see if the M15 able to work out selling. All right. So if another green red to comes in, okay, then we will see maybe there's a good chance of the selling off. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yep. We looks like okay, but this point here is quite a pain here. You know. Yep. So probably this is the this may be the this is the support, not maybe, this is the support. So from the support here, 30 pips down, okay, then probably this may be the area. Then let's see if this breaks below, retest this again, then the selling down 10 pips will meet up to take out the lows, and after that we may go for 22 pips down there. Yep. Right. Yeah, I mean it may go either way because currently it's also looking for support to buy. They are still looking for support to go for a buy. Yeah, so at the moment it seems like they are selling off to look for support. You get what I mean? Yeah. Okay, so like now maybe this whole area, maybe something want to have to take note. Okay, have to take note for a little bit. Yeah, still not that fantastic. Still not that fantastic. Yeah. Right. And M15 has opened. Okay, M15 has opened. Looks like it's not even clearing this candle. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hi, Maher. Nice to see you. Okay, thank you so much for coming in. Right, so we are looking at the pound dollar, and it's at the moment, okay, at the moment, really looks like there's a selling opportunity, but with this candle, wow, this one, we need to wait for a while. If I want to sell, okay, I have a area here that probably may looking out into selling from this area here. Okay, this is the area, right? Yeah. Okay, 126,833 around there. Okay, so probably I'm still waiting for the price to goes up. Take this. After taking this, if it holds well as a resistance, then we can sell. If not, it should be still going up to 126,888. Okay, 126,888. Okay, so there are two areas to take note. So at the moment, at the moment now, I will still prefer to wait for a little while. Okay. Yeah. Yes, that's right. Okay, so this area here, okay, is our profitable area. I think it's quite obvious, right? Okay, so I put this away first. Okay, and let's see. So the pound dollar is not selling. No, I think no, because if I'm going to sell, the first support here is already very near. Okay, over here as you can see, right? And these are all the supports area as you can see, right? So 126.67.3, 126.67.3. So I'm looking into this area because H4 is still building on the trend to go for bullish run again, right? To take out this whole area. So likely, I will still want to wait for a buy for buyers, unless later on when it comes to the resistance area 126.833 or 126.888 up there, okay, then if the resistance comes in, then I will go for the selling. Okay, as of now, I would say there's still plenty of uncertainty, a lot of uncertainty down there. Yeah, unless it breaks this, okay, after it breaks this, then probably this, after the retest as a resistance, okay, this one I will go for a scalping. Okay, yeah, but now we are in this area here, it seems like it's very tough for them to make a decision there. Yeah, I'm talking about the pound. Yeah, I'm talking about the pound now. So 126 now now there's a lot of uncertainty. Okay, then if you're looking for selling 126.67.3, after it retests to have a resistance down here, then I will go for selling. But generally, this selling is still a pullback because generally, if you look at H4, it is still on the move to the bull. Okay, the bull is still ongoing, right? So it's not so fantastic yet for sellers. But if I'm going for a buy, then wait for the support right below, maybe here, maybe lower here, or even lower to this whole area here. Okay, this area of support. Okay, so it's still either way. If I'm going for a buy now, okay, probably over here you have only about 8-9 pips. So it is still not that fantastic yet also. Okay, 8-9 pips only. A quick scalping of 5 pips is possible. Okay, but not now. Nothing shown up yet. Okay, nothing shown up yet. Yeah, so still waiting. Okay, still waiting. But it looks like this area, when it comes in here, the lows here seems like they are waiting for them to take a support over at this area here. Yeah, correct. Okay. It may go, but may be a bit slow. All right, let's see if this is going to break. If this is going to break here, I may have this area to this area, 22 pips there. Okay. Yeah. Yes. You're right. Okay. Sabrina, yeah. So right now, if this is going to break the support, it should be waiting for another round of resistance to sell off, because I can see that some areas on the left side you can see. You're talking about this area, right? Yeah. So it's quite, seems like this area is quite tough. Okay, it's quite tough. It's quite tough. If you are selling, okay, if you are selling, it's quite tough. Okay. Yeah, unless it breaks. Unless it breaks below to form a new resistance, then I sell. I will not sell immediately it breaks. I will not. Okay, because I'm chasing the low, then it's no good. Okay, then it's no good. Yeah. Okay. Now let's see if this will hold or this will break. Okay. Yep. Okay, hang on first. All right. Hang on for a while. Okay, because over at this point here, we can see that there are a lot of these a lot of movement within this area. We are trapped in this area, I would say. Okay, so it's not a very good one. Yep. Okay. Yes. Look at the rejections. Yep, you're right. Look at the rejections here. Okay, so that's the reason why I don't want to sell. Yeah, this area is there's a lot of uncertainty there. Okay, how about the gold? Yeah, the gold. Yeah, will the 60 billion be released today? Okay, if the 60 billion is going to release today, what will happen to the war in Ukraine? Okay, I'm not sure, but looking into this, we have taken out a few areas here. Okay, yeah. Anything from our XNS, our Gold Digger, Caro? Let me see. I don't have anything here. I'm looking into. Generally, I'm still looking into this area 2052. Okay, 2052 over here. Then 2042 over at this area here. Still good here. 2042 5. 2042. Good sell could be from 2042. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah. So this area here. Yeah. Okay. So place this. Okay. 2042. Okay. Yeah. So probably it's waiting for it to goes up. If that's the case, that means to say buying should be the priority for now, but there must be some buying signal. I see. I see some selling instead. Okay. No way. Looks like 2030 is still a possible one, huh? 2030? Maybe 2029? 2028. 2028. 2028. 2028 67. 2028 67. There's an emergency safety meeting in Paris tonight and tomorrow morning, so we can expect EU is to support the Ukraine again. Oh, the UKR. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's the meeting is going to be like. Okay, pound dollar. Well, pound dollar. Looks like the pound dollar. They are still trying their luck to break this. I think they are still trying to break the support here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, hang on first. Okay. Yeah. I don't think they will come up with some peace plan. I think they will continue to fight too. Okay. I think they will. I don't know. I find that this war, there are some. I don't know. Looks like there are a lot of conspiracy behind. The big boys are using the big boys are using each other, tell the world I'm the strongest. But another big boys is trying to use this poor country, this I shouldn't say poor country, I should say this war to also to show how strong they are. I don't know. Okay, okay, that's a wild guess. So to come to a peace, I think maybe still a long way to go, man. I don't know. Okay. Yep. And let's see. Okay, looks like they are also moving very slow. Do not know what's going to happen later on. H1 is going to open soon. If the H1 is going to stop here to build another support, you can see it seems like a inverse head and shoulder is coming soon. Okay, but then again, if this is going to break the structure, okay, if it's trying to break the structure, we should have a lot of pips down here to take. After the 10 pips, after that, this area should be the area to take after the lows has been taken out. But you know, it's kind of weird. Yeah, okay. Yes, 2032.85 could be short sell. 2032, 2032. You mean over here? Okay. 32, 5. Okay. I think over at this point here, here, maybe this area. If this is going to break below, if this is going to break below, any selling come in below 2032.85, then maybe there's a good chance for the selling, right? Over here. I think this area I will prefer to wait for the breaking. The breaking. The breaks after it broke below, after it breaks below, then after that and it forms a selling opportunity, then we should have a good chance to sell down there. Yeah. Okay. Yes. The pound is still trying. Okay, let's take a look. Pound is still trying their luck. Yeah. I see, I see. Okay. Looks like they are really still trying their luck. Let's see if this is going to break below. It should have a very good space down there to be taken. Once it breaks below, retest, another selling comes in. Yeah, I think it should be good. H1 close. Okay. Like the H4 is trying to flip over as well. This. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. They are testing so hard. I'm waiting to enter for the pound dollar. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay, why not? Yeah, possible, possible. Okay, possible, possible. It's just that this area here, you know, is as we can see from this whole area here, it seems like this area is an area that's waiting to be broken. Then after that, it will pull back a bit to retest. Then after that, form a new resistance to sell off again. Then I think the next round should be better. The next round should be better to sell. Yeah, it's it looks like it's coming soon. Yeah, it looks like it's coming soon. If you're looking at the head and shoulder on the bigger time frame, so can I ask you, is it also to look at the M5? You can see now it's also forming the very big head and shoulder. You are talking about this one, and currently this one. Am I right? Uh-huh. Okay. Yes, you can also say that. Yes, yes. The thing is that if this able to form, is actually trying to flip the bigger time frame over. It's trying to flip them over. Then to go for the selling, to look out for the support. Yeah, to look out for the support. Mm, yeah, that's right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sawadee krap, you. Sawadee krap. How's your New Year celebration? You went back to hometown, right? Okay. And over at this side here, I think now looking at this point here, you know, this area, still there's still a chance there. Okay. Mhm, mhm. Okay. Let's see how it close. Oh, it's still closing on the support over here. Yeah, tested once, probably. Uh-huh. Probably they may be looking out for some areas. Okay. Now there may be a little swing down. Then after that retest. Then after that I'm going to wait for the selling to come in. Yep. Okay. Yes. Okay. At this point here, unless it tests, unless it retests, excuse me, unless it retests back as a resistance, this has to retest back as a resistance. Okay, it has to retest back as a resistance to show the resistance is confirmed to be there. Then the selling will come in to pull back to look out for support. Okay, then it will be better to sell down there. I'm trying to sell this area. I'm trying to take this area. Okay, or even maybe downwards to take the whole area down there, right? if they are trying to recover this area here. Okay, so by looking into, let's say we talk about H4, okay, this area here, okay, this area here, it seems like they are still setting up higher support, higher lows to aim for higher high. But let's say if this is going to flip over, it may be only a temporary selling to go down to look out for support. Okay, then after that, from here to here, about 10, maybe 10 pips, 9 pips. Okay, then after that, then the support comes in, then after that, maybe going for the buying side again. Okay, yeah. So at the moment, we are still here. Right? So it is still not so ideal yet. Okay, it is still here, not so ideal yet. Okay. It's good to wait for the breaking here. Okay, it's good to wait for the breaking here. Yep. The breaking of the support. Yeah. Okay. Still waiting for the support to be broken. Okay. Yes. Okay. Right. Then hang on and let's see. Hang on first. We are still waiting. It's into this area here. Okay, this area. Just now as we drew the box here. Okay, if you can see. Right, we are still in this area, right? Okay, so once it breaks this area, retest this box, okay, to form the resistance, yep, and it's going to be good to be down, to look out for support. Okay, then this is a similar situation like last week. We have entered once there over here. Okay, so this will be the one. All right, so over here, pound dollar. Okay, once it breaks below, 126.67.3, let's wait for the retest. Okay, back to 126.673. The selling will comes in for a scalping trade here. Okay, over here, we will have a scalping trade here. Okay, I will scalp for maybe 510, or maybe taking the lows, or even maybe going down to take this 126.454. 126.454. Right, so now still waiting for this scalping trade to come. Hide the knowledge nexus. Okay, so yeah, I'm talking about pound dollar. Right. Okay. Yep. And now, right now, this area here is a support, which I see this area is a support. Yeah. So this area is a support. Okay, so no to sell. Okay, yeah. For the pound dollar, yeah. Okay. Let's wait and see. My selling, I'm looking into here, 126.833. Right, if they are going to meet out in this area, this should have some resistance to push down back to this area here of 16 pips. Yeah, I think that would be better. Or it breaks below this, then to form up the resistance to sell lower. Okay. Yeah. Yes, correct. That's right. Okay. At the moment now, let's take a look at the gold. Okay. Yeah. Looks like the gold is coming to 2032.85. Okay. 2032.85. Okay. 2032.85 could be the short sell for over here, like what Karu have mentioned just now. Okay. So can be patient. Okay, be patient to wait for this to happen. Let's see when it touches this to see what is going to be like. Then we will decide whether to sell this. Okay, so for pound dollar, yes, there's another rejections now. If this is going to touch the support once again, it seems like they are going to form another lower highs in this little trend. Will you take this into consideration? Well, if you are talking about this, okay, this is a bit too small, all right. This is a little bit too small. The movement here is a little bit too small, especially this is also M5. Yeah, this is also M5 only. Okay. Yeah, so we can see some rejections from this area. It also show the support is there. Okay, so just hang on first. I think it's good to wait for a while. Okay, it's good to wait for a while. Yep. All right, let's see. Okay, wow, gold TP 26 pips. I think this is going to be so wonderful. Ooh, wow. You have 528, 526. Ooh. Oh, this reminds me of my dinner, Carol. Okay, and let's see. Okay. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, and let's take a look. Okay, this area here, yeah. If this is going to close below, it seems like it's going to have a break of structure. Okay, instead of having this inverse head and shoulder for this wave, okay, probably, yeah, probably it breaks this, then you won't see the inverse head and shoulder. It should continue to go lower to look for support area like here. Okay, yeah. So, but now we are stuck. Now we are stuck in this area. These areas are quite stuck, So just be patient first. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Hang on. Hang on. Yep. Hi, Christopher. Yes. Well, thank you for coming in. All right. Okay, so today looks like very slow. There's not much movement over from this to this. It's like very low liquidity today. Yeah, not much, not much. Yep. Okay, so have to wait. Yeah, I prefer to wait for a while. Okay. Yes. Are you looking into pound dollar for the buy? Okay, just now I was saying that the buy side is possible because H4 looks like H4 is still on the buy side. Okay, because it's setting up at support here, higher lows here. Okay, a higher support over here. So still on the trending, it looks nice. The trending looks very nice over at this point here. Correct. Okay, so you can see if you are having a trend line here, then you can see that they are still on the bull side. Okay, they are still on the bull side. Yes. Hello, HS Farm. Yep, we are looking at the pound dollar. Okay, and looks like the pound dollar is just like what we said. It tested the support and now it's going towards the north. Okay, I'm looking at 126.833. If 126.833, they're coming in with a selling here. Okay, with a resistance to sell. Yeah, that may be a good chance to go for the selling. Okay, yeah, and right now we don't have any selling here. Okay, we don't have a selling here. So at the moment, I have to wait. Okay. Right. Okay. Yep. Yes, Tohib. Nice to see you here. Meanwhile, can we revise how to identify the support and resistance? Well, look out for some red, green candle. Okay, some red, green candle. Like example here, red, green candle over here. This is the support. Okay, this is a support. All right. Then green, red. This is the resistance. Okay, when you see this thing with a sounding off like this is a resistance here. Okay, so you can see the resistance here. Okay, support here. These are very simple way to look out for the support, and it's the basic. Okay, I'm a buy side in pound dollar and gold. For pound dollar, yes. Okay, you're right. You're right on the you're on the right track. Okay, but look out for this price 126,833, 126,833. Okay, when it touches this area, this may be the area that it will create some selling off again. Okay, then for the gold wise, yeah, we are looking at 2032. This may be a pullback. If this breaks, I think there may be a selling over here. Okay. Okay, so we are quite near to 2032. So 2032 over here, if this may be the price that it will start to shoot. Okay. Yeah. So let's see. Let's wait for a while. Yeah, on the buy side, right? For the gold wise, I think they are looking for support as well. Okay. Okay. For the gold wise, okay. The buy side just now to take out this area here has done up their job. So they are now retracing downwards to take a support, to look out for support. But let's see if the support able to form up. Okay. Yep. So currently you should be on the profit on the pound side and the gold side, maybe. I'm not sure where's your entry. Okay. But the pound is still good. Okay, looking into this area here. Okay. Yep. Okay. We are pretty near to 126,833. Okay, so this area. Yeah. Yeah, this area here. So if I'm going to look out for this side here, once the market opens, it swing down here to recover this area, set up the support, and now they are moving towards the north to take this. Okay, it's good. It's good. They are creating some moves. So later on, sellers will have good chance to sell. Okay. Do you think the pound dollar is still on the bullish side? The pound dollar is on the bullish side. Okay, the pound dollar looking at this area here. The pound dollar is still on the bullish side. I am just now when it comes to this point, I'm waiting for it to break. I'm waiting to break 126,673. Then it will tells me that it's looking for support before it goes up. You see, but it stopped at the support. That means it's not looking for the support lower than that. Yeah. Yes, correct, Sabrina. Okay, so at the moment, right now, let's see, it's coming to the first level here. Okay, to see if this first level will it actually form another resistance to sell off. Yeah. Okay. For the goal wise, yeah. Okay. So now let's see if this is going to go back to 2034.62, 2034.62, or even higher, 2036, 2036. Okay, 20 about no, not 2036, sorry. 2036, yeah, okay, yes, 2036. Well, if not, then we'll take a look if this is going to continue to test this area here. My pound dollar entry, okay, let's see. Pound dollar entry, 126693, 126693, which is here, 126693. Wow, what a good one. Okay, looks like it's quite good. 126693 over here. Okay. Slightly above the support area. Wow, 10 pips has gone up. And well, it looks like from here, it should be quite good. The entry is good. Okay, to see if they can take out this area. But I can tell this whole area is very small area. They are going to test around this area. Okay, so you have to take note, this is only a scalping area here. Even buying also a scalping from this area. Just now we are talking about this area. A lot of uncertainty. So didn't take a trade, whether buy or sell. We didn't take a trade here. Okay, so from here, from the uncertainty area, I see if they're going to push, you should push to 126.833, then to set up the resistance to sell off again. However, this area, just now we plotted this area. Okay, let's see if this area is going to hold as a support, then there's a good chance that it will continue to go. If this area is going to break below here to form a resistance, then it's good to go for the selling. Okay, so this is what I meant. This is the area I'm looking out for. Okay, as for the goal, 2034, no, 2034, no, 2034 shouldn't, 2034, this area should still be looking for selling because of, I'm looking out for this whole area here. In terms of M5, if you are looking to M15 here, this is the area looking out for. Okay, so there may be still some testing into this area, then a good buy putting in should be here, should be around here if the support comes in. Okay, but just now when we analyze if this is going to break below 2032.85, this may be the selling area to take the lows. Okay, this may be the selling area to take the lows. Right? So this is another point that you have to take note. Okay. Yeah. M30. Yeah. Okay. Looks like the looks like yeah, looks like they are going to test this whole area here. Okay, just be careful, all right, with this 2032.85 area. Right. Okay. Yes, Sabrina. Pound dollar. Okay. Pound dollar. Wow, rejected nicely on your box. Okay, if the pound dollar reject nicely on the box here, if this is going to set up the support, okay, then this should be still on the buy side. Okay, unless it breaks into, okay, then we are back into the uncertainty area. This area very difficult to make a decision. Okay, for me, I won't be making any decision there. All right. Okay. Yep. So just hold on for a while and see because M30 is going to open Wow, this M30 candle, this half an hour, it has recovered this. Well, it looks like a pattern here, huh? Okay, so they have and our here, and it looks so nice, huh? For the buyers. It looks very nice on the buyer side, okay. But hang on first, hang on first. It all depends whether are they going to set out the support, or if this is going to carry on to sell off. But looks like selling off is on the high chance for these 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And let's wait for a little while. Okay, let's see. Okay, still not there's no confirmation yet. Yeah, there's no confirmation yet. Hey guys, let me tell you, I need to go key bell. Okay, let's go to the key bell first. Okay, I come back before the M30. Okay, all right. See you in the shop while. Alright guys, I'm back here. Yes, key bell. Okay, yes. Well, let's see. And okay, so looks like pound dollar has set up the support over at this area here. So quite obvious, am I right? Okay. So over here, yes, hi. Okay, looks like they are still going to push higher. Okay, looks like they're going to push higher. Okay, and well, in that case, I think likely to see this going to test further up. Okay, and the next H4. Okay, will the next H4 going to test the resistance up here? Okay, all right. Hit. Just now we were asking about the support resistance. A little recap. Okay, did you manage to get it? Okay, so right now, okay, it's actually trying to take this, trying to test the resistance. If I mean by looking at the M5, basing on the box that I drew just now, they are actually setting up this area here. Okay, setting up the support. Can you see a red came down, green is coming in. Okay, so looks like the support is actually coming in over here, right? Will they actually continue, right, to take this area, okay, to fill up this area here? Then after that, selling may be coming in again. Okay. Yep. Yes. Okay. That's good. Yes. All right. That's good. Your yes means you can understand, right? Okay. Go TP 10 pips. Wow. Let's take a look. So the selling comes in, huh? Yes, boom, 2032. Congratulations. Okay. Well, nice, very nice. Okay, so yep, okay. And let's see. Okay, good job. Okay. Uh looking to send an email to you about support, but this link not opening. This link not opening. Oh really? Is it? Did the support give you any advice, Avery? Did the support give any alternatives? Right, I think could be a buy now. Over here. Okay, so let's take a look. 2032.85. Taro, if this is going to close below, if this is going to break down, well, the selling actually comes in from this area. I'm looking into taking the lows. I'm actually looking to take the lows, but yeah, this area to me, looking at M5 and 15 here, this could be a support area or turbulence area here, waiting to be broken. Unless this break, then I think the selling will come in. Am I right to say that? Yeah. Okay. Avery, later on, let me check with the support team and see what is going on. Okay. Avery in the Discord, am I right? Then if I found something, then I see. I will update you in the Discord channel. Okay. Right. Okay. So at the moment now, pound dollar. Okay. Let's take a look. Okay, toe hit. Take a look at this toe hit. You see green, red. Am I right? Okay. Normally just green and red. This doesn't show any of the resistance here. Okay, so it's not a very strong resistance. Okay, but you can see when it touches this area, there's some rejections here. Okay, when the rejection comes in after it meet up with this area, it shows more or less the resistance is there. Okay, whether it's how strong. Okay, how strong is the resistance? Okay, so and in this case here, we can see there are some resistance here. Okay, then you can see the rejections here. It shows some resistance is actually happening there. All right, so just take note. Okay, okay, haha, nice small 10 pips, too small for me. What do you mean by too small for you? Hi, Merry Christmas. Nice to see you. Okay. Okay, over here. Okay, so probably this resistance doesn't look so fantastic yet. Okay, it can still be tested and breaks again. Okay, yep. Okay, so I will say that you can see on the left side this area of resistance. Okay, then this area that where I plotted around this region, this will give more action for the resistance. You will see more action from the resistance. Okay, yeah. So from the Asia, they already set up this area. Okay, they have already set up this area. Then from this area, okay, we can see they have divided out. Okay, in the way they have divided out. Okay, if the prices is going to close below, okay, the price is going to close below in this London session, then we will be able to sell. Okay, if not, then we won't be able to sell from there also. Okay, so we have to wait, right? Yeah, but yes. How you guys doing today? The market is very slow, nothing yet except for the gold. Okay. Then Sabrina was saying that with this move over here, okay, like we say, it actually taking half of it, okay, over into this area. Yeah, this area, right? It's only half of it, right? Yeah. So there may be still a possibility that they are actually still going up to take this area of resistance, okay, to test the area of resistance up there. All right, then the selling may comes in, but along the way we have few points here. Okay, 1.126833. Okay, 126,833. Right, so during the London session, okay, they may be meeting out with this, and then after that to push to take the lows down here first. Then after that, or maybe going even lower, okay, to complete this, then they will go for the buy to complete this area also. Okay, it can be. However, we have to look into the situation. If the situation here, okay, is showing that this is actually still on the support, then it also shows that the potential of getting the resistance up there is higher. The probability is higher. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Finally, the goal is pushing up. Okay. Nice. Okay, that's good. All right. So this is the point that we just now we were discussing. Okay. Yeah. For the pound dollar, like I say, it's stuck in the area here. Right? It's stuck into the area here. So maybe hang on for a little while. And HS farm, you have buy position for the pound dollar. Am I right? Okay. So you need to take note about this area. Okay. You have to think about this area here. Right. Currently, of course, it's still maintaining. Okay. Currently, they are still maintaining quite a good one. Yeah. Right. Yes, they are taking out early seller. Okay. Or for the gold, right? Over here. Okay. I think you're talking about the gold. With this move here, I see. Okay. M30. Okay. So pound dollar, yeah. If there is a chance, that's what I meant. If there is a chance that it's going to form another resistance lower than this, okay. But it's still not a very good. It's still not a very good selling area here because of this. Of course, if this is going to close as a resistance to into this area, all right, then I think it's good to see that the price will still go down to take 126,673. However, in this area, as the price coming into this area, there may be a lot of turbulence here. All right, in the same thing, just like just now, it's going to be so boring, man. Okay, it's going to be so boring. It's going to stuck here and there. All right. Okay, so the goal, yes, 2036.4 is the end of the selling liquidity. 2036.4, 2034, 2036.4, sorry, 2036.4. Okay, over here. Right. So does that means that after it comes to this price, it's all the way on the buy side? Okay. Yep. Right. Okay. So let's see. Now there should be some struggling between 2034. 2034 6 4 34 2034 62 2034 62. Okay, it should be around there to have some struggling. Yeah. Okay. Yes, and right, for pound dollar, okay, still there. Yeah. Pound dollar, yeah, I think still there. And looks like they are trying to look out for higher high. Yes, higher high. Were they able to achieve the higher high? No. Okay. This area here. Okay. Bring this down, as we can see it rejected from this resistance level here. There's some rejections here. Down to this area. Back to this area. Oi. Like looks like some pullback is coming in. Huh? Looks like some pullbacks is coming in. Yeah. Looks like some pullbacks is coming in. Yeah. For the pound dollar, euro is going up. Gold will follow. Okay, let's take a look. Euro dollar. Okay. Wow. There's plenty of space for it to go up. Oh my. That's nice. Oh. Wow. Okay. Euro dollar 108.71.7. Last 2 weeks we are talking about this euro dollar. This area here. 108.717. Wow. Okay. So let's see. This one. 108.587. I'm looking into this area first. Yeah, I think it's about there also. There's one area. Mine is 559. 108.559. Sorry. Oh, 584. 584. 108.584. Mine is 584. So it's 587. Okay, around there. Right. Wow. So that means the gold will still have very good space to go. Well, let's see. Let's see for if this euro dollar. Wow, later on you also have very good selling, you know. Wow, looks like later on we also have very good selling for the euro dollar. I mean I see this way. Okay. 14 pips. 14. Okay, no, sorry. From now about 17 pips. Wow, looks so good. Okay, let's see. Let me see. 108244. Well, there may be a chance of 108244 if the selling off. Not much actually, about 15 pips, 14, 15 pips, about 14 to 15 pips. Okay, pound dollar is testing your box again, testing my box again. Let's see. Oh, I see. Right. Okay. Yeah. For pound dollar, okay, I think they are trying to get into the box, right? And 126.71.5. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if they can close into the box or not. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Right. This area. Then for the gold, yes, gold is consolidating, waiting for big move up or down. Make a guessing. Let's give it a guess. All right, so let's see if this is going to be the one. All right. Let me guess. Let's do some guessing here. Up. Maybe selling. Okay. Now. Are you selling, Bradley? Over here. Well, okay. Right. Mobile game. Hi, mobile game. Wow, this is the first time I see you here. Nice to see you. Thank you so much for coming in. Thank you very much. Yes, it's concerned the account that I opened to send my email to your support. It's not opening the account to be fun. Yes, okay. Give me a little while after my live streaming. I check with my support and I see how what's happening. Okay. Are you in the Discord channel, Avery? If I'm in the Discord channel, after that, if when I got the answer, I will update you. Would that be good? All right, would that be good? Okay. All right. Yeah. Go to sell. Up a bit, then sell. It's up a bit. Over here, it's up a bit already. Okay, yes, Sabrina. Pound dollars. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, pound dollar. All right. Okay. Just now, where is the price that you are talking about? Just now, I'm talking about here. About 126.717. About 126.717. It's there. I think it's there already. Okay, I think it's already there. Yeah. Let me check. Okay. Almost there. 126.717. 71.7. Okay, thank you, Avery. Yep. Right, and let's see. They have tested for the pound dollar. They have tested this area 126.803, and now looks like the selling came in. Right, selling came in from here to here. Okay, are they going to take out this area and close below 126.673 or no 126.717 to take 126.673 the support again? But this whole area is very, very tough. Okay. You are still holding. Oh yeah, you are still holding on the pound dollar, right? Okay. Yeah, I know you're still holding on your pound dollar over here. So the pound dollar, just now we're talking about, you have to take note about this area here. Right? Yeah. 67, 67.9 or 69, no, 67.9, right? If I didn't remember wrongly. Let me take a look. 69.3, 69.3, okay. 69.3, okay. It's at the equilibrium of Friday big push. You mean the gold or you mean the pound? Oh, okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes. Over here. Okay, this area here. Right, right. Okay. If the pound dollar is going to break the support, it's very highly likely to see it going down to take the lows from the move last week. Pound dollar, let's take a look at the pound dollar first. Okay. You're talking about this move, right? Okay. If you're talking about this move, uh, one, two, I would say more or less there. Be looking more into, yeah, 126.67.3 now to 66.30, 126.630. Okay, yeah, 126.630. Goal wise, yep. Oh yeah. Okay, yep. Okay, let's see. Hang on, hang on. Okay, yep. I'm a break even in my both trades. uh, then then what then what's next for you? A bit slow. I mean, for gold wise, it's not that slow. Okay, for now, but for pound dollar, is actually slow in the way because we are in this area. Okay, we are still in this area, so you know, we really have to be patient. Okay, we got to be patient. But, okay, but I would say if the pound dollar is going to break this, selling is high, is very high. The selling probability is very high. Okay, yeah. So from this area, they're creating this selling here. After they retest to set up another lower resistance, a lower highs here in the area, in just now the box area, then there should have a chance to continue to test into the support here. Okay, there should be another chance to test the support here. Right? Yep. Yes. Yep. Yes, Sabrina, correct. I think you should, still, I mean, of course, like I say over here, all right, over here, I mean, after tested this to set up the resistance, okay, then it's like here, a good chance to sell. However, you have to take note because of that area, just now the area that we're talking about, the selling is actually trying to push into the area, but the area has a lot of uncertainties there. So it seems like there's support, there's resistance in this area here. There's a lot of movement here. Okay, so we don't know where it's going. So for this area of resistance to push it down, then probably it's only into this area, and yet we don't know what's going to happen in the area. So that's why I will still say that although I say that the selling may be here, but the next thing to check is there enough space? Okay, is there enough space to sell off? But not enough space, so don't sell. So after it breaks through this area and break out of the area to form resistance down here, okay, yes, this area, yes, I will take the trade. I will take the selling trade if there's a selling resistance over here. All right. Okay, yeah. So at least we get out of the area that is there's a lot of uncertainty, so that we can, so that from this area at least we know very clear that okay, they have a mission to take the lows. Okay, they have the liquidity down here to be taken, you know. Okay, so at least it's better. But this area, I mean, for sellers lah, I mean, this is more on the seller side, right? But for the buyer side, of course, right now, okay, you get out of this area, okay, and you want to put in a buy, then you have to take note of the resistance here. You have to take note of the resistance here, okay. Then if this is going to close as support, and after that it breaks the resistance up here, then they will also go up to take this area here. All right. Okay. Yep. Right. Yep. But I don't think they will take it today. The liquidity 2029, 2029 to 2025. Okay. 2029, 8 here. Okay. Yeah, to 2025. This whole area here. Okay. Then I think probably have to wait for the next hour to see. We have 2 minutes to go. Okay, 2 minutes to go. Similarly to H4 on the pound dollar. Okay, let's see if the pound dollar able, if this pound dollar is going to set up any resistance down over in this area here. If this is going to set up a resistance, then setting for these 4 hours, if they are going to set up the resistance, I should see some selling off. I should see some selling off to take this area here, a support here. Okay, yeah. Then to test the support here, then there will be a good chance. Okay, so that means the price should be around 126,558. 126,558. Okay, right. So right now, no. Yep. Okay. For HS farm, your pound dollar still in a profit of 10 over pips. Do take note of the resistance here. All right, this whole area here. All right, this is the area that you need to take note. Okay. Okay. So, right, good. Okay, we have 1 minute to go. H4 is going to open soon. Okay, so let me move into H4. Okay. As for the gold, don't think they will take it out today. Okay. Well, open with support here. Looks like but looking at this, it looks like it's going to have a break of structure. It looks like they will have a break of structure there. Wow, this is also very tricky when we come to this place. When we come to this area here. Okay. Yep. Okay, let's take a look at the pound dollar. All right, pound dollar H4 has opened, and H4 open. Okay, not so bad. Okay, not so bad here, and they are still opening below the resistance level. Let's see if this is going to flip down over to test and take the lows there, or are they going to continue to go for the buy? Okay, yep. Okay, so let's see. Oops, I clicked the wrong thing again. Yep. Okay, yep. Over here. Okay, over at this point here, let's see. We are now, looks like they are breaking out of this area. Hey, let's see. Okay. Check it so that I can send my email and my account number. Okay, let me see. Let me check. Check now. Okay. Oh, I saw an email CC to me. Right. Is that Jabin? Okay, let me see. Oh, I see. Okay, okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, yeah. I saw the email. Okay, so they ask you to they give you an instruction. I think you have to fill in. Okay, I think you have to fill in. All right. Then after that you reply back to the support. Later I will follow up for you. Okay, I will follow up for you. Yeah. Okay, Ibery. Okay. Right. Yeah, please send the email and the account number with the details requested in the email. Okay, so that my account site will, I mean not account site, my support site will actually help you with that. Okay. Okay, my pound dollar TP is 127.014. Okay, possible. Okay, it's possible. 014. Let me see. Okay, yep, it's possible. Right. We are actually looking into that area also. And in fact, we are looking even higher. We are actually looking up into a higher one as well. Okay. Because now it's on the bull side, it seems like they are trying to push for a higher high. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yes, Sabrina, no chance at all. It's still touching your box and it's still bouncing back. Yes, correct. No chance. Yes. Okay. Iberi, are you there? Iberi, are you there? If you are there, maybe if you can, if you heard me, yeah, do let me know. If not, you can send you mind sending a message over to my support backend support. Okay, then later I will, okay, you, okay, so yeah, I just checked the email. Yes, they ask you to fill in the details. Yeah, so you can send in the details. Right. If not, you can just drop a message to my page. Okay, to the back end page. Later I will follow up directly for you. Okay. I will chat with you in the message box. Okay, you can send a message to the ACS Learning Hub page. Okay, so later I will leave a message to the support and ask them to direct the message to me. Okay. Then I will follow up personally for you. Okay. Yep. Alright, so I think guys, I think for the pound dollar, well, this is still the area. Okay, this is still the area. Okay, we have to take note. Right, then let's see if they are able to form another resistant area here. Just now we are talking about 883, right? Okay, so it should be around here. Another, oh, Okay, this area here. Yeah, 833, not 883. Okay, sorry, 833. Okay, so if the resistance able to come in here, but do remember this area. Okay, this area is a very tough area. Okay, so if sellers you're going to sell, either you pull up a very big space for you to sell from here to the box, okay, or up there to the box here. Okay, if not, they're going back in here, then let's wait for it to break 126.67.3, then you go for the selling. Okay, then you go for the selling. All right. Okay, so right now it's not a good time to sell because space is not enough. Okay, and this box is a very headache area. Okay, a lot of uncertainty now inside there, so I prefer not to. Okay, just wait for a while. Okay, for if not, then if it still continue to go up, allow it to go up, be patient. Okay, then wait for it to clear whatever it should. Then after that, if the selling comes back, but remember this selling is still a pullback. Okay, but the pullback may be quite a good, there may be quite a good space to pull back. All right, so yeah, can hang on with that. Okay, anyway, we don't really have we don't have any high impact news today, so it's still good to wait for the good entry before you take a trade. Okay, all right. Okay, I think that should be all for today, and I shall see you guys tomorrow. All right. Okay, so yep, for the gold wise, and gold wise 2032 over here, and we have to wait. We have to wait for a little while. Seems like it's also still on the buy side already. Okay, then 2042 is my target. Okay, 2042 is your target, so it should be up here. Which just now earlier on we are talking about this, right? 2042. Okay, so let's hang on with this. All right, then I shall see you guys tomorrow. Okay, yeah, and wish you good luck in your New York session with body full of profits. Okay, and also I hope that the pound dollar, okay, pound dollar start to come in with some selling. Okay, so they have a chance to short as well. Okay, thank you guys. I shall see you tomorrow. Okay, thank you very much and good luck to you. This is everything from ACS Learning Hub. See you again.